Hi there Year 12. Today what we'd like to do is we'd like to do stuff with the vernier smart carts. So I want to shoot this green cart at this yellow cart. I'd like them to stick together, have an inelastic collision, and I want to know what is the mass of this yellow cart. So first thing I need to do is make sure my track is nice and level. And I can kind of already see that if I put my cart on there, doesn't move, no it doesn't. Use my trusty level, get it perfect. Great, the track is level. I want to make sure I got those magnets right, so there has to be magnets in this side and that side to get it together. I need my green cart to have the spring mechanism on the left hand side so I can shoot it and go across. We're going to use the idea of conservation of momentum, so that means the momentum before must equal the momentum after. So we're talking about once this green cart is moving, the momentum of that green cart before the collision must be the same as the momentum of the green-yellow cart system after the collision. And so you'll notice that it slows down. So if I fire this, it hits and it slows down. And so that tells me, well, from knowing the speed of this before and the speed of this after, I can work out the momentum of this cart. So if I start off by measuring the mass with my magnets inside it, and I figure out what that is, and I get 297.8 grams. So that is the mass of the green cart. I then need to open up vernier graphical analysis and collect data collection. So there's an expectation that you will open up this file and that you can download this particular file and be able to do the gradient calculation. So once I turn on my cart, and it's got a code number ends with 527, it should appear on the screen, 527, and I click collect. Now the smart carts measure acceleration and force and motion, and so I need to select which one of those categories do I want. And I really just want to measure position in today's experiment, so that's fine. It does give me the options of having two graphs, yet one position time graph is great. You'll see that it has a position of 23 centimeters. I'm just going to make that 0 for when we're against the wall. I'm then going to click collect, fire the cart, and boom, it hits. So we see that there are three parts to that motion. So the first part of that motion is where it's, well, there's more than three. It's not moving. Then it's travelling at a constant speed, then it's travelling at a different constant speed after the collision. So this is before the two collide, this is just the velocity of the green cart, and then this will be the velocity of the green-yellow cart combination. I can work out what that initial velocity is by coming into Graph Tools, Apply Curve Fit, Apply Linear, and so it has initial velocity of 0.9224 meters per second before the collision, and then I'm going to let you play with that file to work out what the speed was after the collision and therefore what the momentum was.